Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics easily, full guide. Start by choosing one topic and outline 3 core concepts to learn, then set a 30 to 50-minute timer and remove distractions. Use active recall by asking yourself questions aloud and practice problems immediately after reviewing notes. Mix conceptual reading with problem practice and summarize main ideas in your own words before moving on. Use a conversational tone when you study and talk through problems like you would explain them to a friend. This boosts understanding and retention. After reading a short section, close the book and write or speak key ideas from memory, then attempt a related problem. Check your solution only after a solid attempt, note mistakes, and repeat the concept later to strengthen memory and skill. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and practical tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes study stints cozier and helps set focus timers. Check the description for the link and other deals. I appreciate your support and feedback. Now let's get back to the video. Treat each problem like a mini experiment. List knowns, draw a diagram, and choose equations deliberately. Break complex tasks into smaller steps and solve one piece at a time, keeping units clear and consistent. If stuck, compare the problem to similar examples and adapt methods, then reassess assumptions. Regularly review solved problems to recognize patterns and speed up future solutions, while keeping a calm, curious mindset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.